Today on The Brief, Microsoft did a rare thing earlier this week. It apologized. Just over a month ago, it rolled out a new feature called Productivity Score that was part of an update to their Microsoft 365 Workplace Analytics dashboard. But now the company is hitting the pause button on it. During its October launch, the software giant called Productivity Score a great way to gather insight on worker effectiveness, and an effective coaching tool to improve productivity. But the announcement sparked widespread debate over employers snooping on remote workers. And how far is too far? Microsoft will now dial back the feature somewhat. Once the changes are implemented, companies will not be able to see data on individual workers. Instead, they'll only be able to see aggregate data that helps them better understand how effectively its various tools and services are being used across the organization. The About face illustrates the thorny issue of employee surveillance as the pandemic wears on, and as remote work shifts from a stopgap measure to a longer-term strategy. Productivity Score was part of Microsoft's roadmap to help companies identify which tools were and were not being used, and how they could remotely manage their way to greater productivity. Microsoft has done the right thing by responding to the outcry. But the issue of balance when it comes to managing and driving remote employee productivity remains central to IT and business plans for the rest of the pandemic and beyond. Our blueprint, called Develop a Flexible Work Program for IT, can help you institutionalize your own remote work arrangements and get all stakeholders on board, from the employees themselves to the senior leaders who will sign off on it. Because remote workers deserve a plan, and the right tools, used in the right way, can send the right message and maintain organizational effectiveness through this historically challenging time. That's food for thought.